Hi everyone, so I'm back again today with another tutorial. This time I'm showing you guys how I do tweed nails. Now this is a great design to have for this time of year. Fall, winter's right around the corner, and I think a lot of clients will be asking for this. So if you're interested, please stay tuned and keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just prep my tip with a buffer and just wipe it off with an alcohol wipe. I'm going to take my Brittany Tokyo square brush and I'm just going to apply Presto Base Gel in a really thin layer, and I'm going to cure that. Once that's cured, I'm going to take Tiny's Gem color in 041. It's really pretty. It's an iridescent bluey pink sparkle. And I'm just going to apply 2 coats and cure them. I'm going to take my clear palette from Presto because I'm going to mix some of the gel color with a fine powder. So I'm just going to take my Presto liner brush to use to draw the lines. I'm going to take 002, which is a pure white from LEAFGEL, and I'm just going to kind of mix the color a little bit because it is a potted gel. You do need to mix it. I'm going to take a little scoop of the color, put it onto my palette, and then I'm going to take a old cuticle pusher and just kind of scoop out some of this powder from BONNIEBEE. It's BONNIEBEE fluffy powder. This is great for the winter to create some type of texture like sweater nails. It kind of looks like snow a little bit. So it may take a few tries to get the right ratio. I found a couple times that it was just a little bit too dry, it would crumble. So you can just mix with more gel. You don't have to do what I'm doing here. I kind of wish I did not do this. I did not want to draw one continual line straight down the nail. I wish I kind of broke it up a little bit. But we are going to put a lot of colors, a lot more lines on top of this, so it doesn't really matter. But you're just going to kind of want to leave a little bit of open space and make lines going the opposite way. Doesn't matter really where, just make sure it's kind of all over the nail, and we're going to cure that. Next, I'm going to take this LEAFGEL color. It's a really nice mid-tone gray. I'm going to show you how I mix it right here because it's just a little bit easier to see than the white. You could also paint the whole nail with this type of texture. I think that would look really cool, especially if you're doing like a sweater nail design. All products I've used here will be linked down below in the description. Please make sure to look at those if you're interested. So I'm just going to go in between some of those lines that we did with the white. The same type of pattern we did before. And I'm going to kind of do the same thing with black from LEAFGEL. The good thing about tweed is it can be kind of messy and it'll still look like tweed. I kind of personally like the look of a little messy, rougher looking tweed. I think it looks a little bit more realistic and more fun, but if you want to be more precise, you totally could. Just do kind of connecting diagonal and horizontal lines. It's really just about layering. I'm curing with every color I use. So next I'm going in with this FIOTE scented plum. It's a really nice berry color. I just wanted to add a little bit of pop of color where all the neutrals were. I'm just kind of adding the purple to some spots that are a little bare to kind of break up that black, white, and gray. I apologize for being out of focus. I'm trying to fix my camera situation at the moment, so videos going forward will be better. Please make sure to comment down below and let me know of any designs you would like me to try out or show you how to do. Just let me know down below. Look at that texture. I'm just kind of going over it again with the white just to add kind of more depth. I think it looks pretty cool. I'm gonna go in with my JIN.B Crazy Top Thick Gel. It's really good to use if you kind of want to have like a hard overlay. It's not hard gel, but I like to adhere charms with it. I do drop it a little bit. Oops. This is definitely a must-have for me. And I'm just kind of adding a pearl clustered gem charm just because I think it goes really well with this design. It's very classy. Reminds me of a very fancy, rich old woman in like a tweed Chanel jacket wearing a pearl necklace. I'm just gonna cure that. Next and finally, I'm gonna go in with Presto non-wet top gel, and this is the finished look after adding top gel. I think it looks really nice. It's really cool. I'm definitely gonna be doing this design all fall, all winter, and let me know guys down below if you enjoyed. Please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.